Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to merge faces in Blockbench. Merging faces helps clean up geometry and reduce unnecessary edges. There isn't a single action in Blockbench that directly merges faces, but you can achieve the same result using the proper tools. First, make sure your object is a mesh and switch to edit mode. Enable face selection from the selection tools. Let's say you want to combine these two faces into a single face. Select the faces you want to merge and delete them. Next, switch to edge selection from the selection tools. Select the two edges that outline the area where the faces were removed. Then press Shift plus F on your keyboard. This will fill the space with a single face, effectively merging the faces you deleted. And that's how to merge faces in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.